Welcome back to our series on M365 Journey, and we've been on part 1 where we talk about users and license management as an administrator. In this task 1.3, we will be granting access to John Doe in Teams and SharePoint site. So you remember, you must be an administrator, or you must have an administrator role. Either you are a global admin or any other admin that has the permissions to do any of these tasks. So let's head to how did I get here. You first of all, if you're in home, all right, you'll see show all, and then you can now click on Teams. Let's click on Teams. All right, it will take you right into Microsoft Teams Admin Center, and the next thing you will do, you click on Teams. Right, you can see all manage teams, team setting, and all of that. So we're just going to create a new team. Just click on add. What do we want to call this team? Let's call it HR members. Okay. All HR team members. Yep. So this is the owner. I can also add another owner. Yeah, I will make it private, and then you apply. Okay, so we have HR member. So let's add a member. Remember, we have John Doe as our member. We add John. Let's apply that. Okay. We can create channels if we want. Let's create a new channel and call this discussion, or let's call it salary discussion. Salary discussion. We add that. So now we have added our new user. We can head to our SharePoint site. Let's head to SharePoint and also give our user permission to any of the sites we may wish to give our user. So I want to give John Doe access to Demo Crisis site. So we head to, this is our site, all right. Let's check all the sites and be sure. Okay. Let's click on share. So we want to give our new user, John Doe, permission. Here's a guy. Just say, hey, we just added you to this site for contribution. contributions and collaboration. All right. We will send this. So let's just see if John Doe received any email. So John Doe has received, hey, we just added it to this site for contribution and collaboration. And then the previous one, John Doe was notified that he's been added to HR members team. All right. So that's how you grant access and permissions to a new user or any user. You can also remove access and deny permissions, just like you did in. All right. So wrapping things up, that wraps up our part 1, user and license management in Microsoft 365. In the first task, we created a new user, call it John Doe. We're able to manage license for John Doe. We built a distribution list in task 1.2, and then in task 1.3 we granted access in Teams and SharePoint. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 2, where we'll cover security and compliance, including MFA, multi-factor authenticator, and conditional access. Drop a comment if you want me to create a practice challenge video for you for this session. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. My name is Nsikan Ikbe.